Vivo Z5 was launched in China on Wednesday as the company's latest mid-range offering. The new Vivo phone offers a 19.5:9 display with a water-drop-style notch design. There is also Qualcomm's Snapdragon 712 SoC along with up to 8 GB of RAM. The Vivo Z5 comes preloaded Super Night View 2.0 Plus to boost low-light camera quality and includes the proprietary multi-turbo for an enhanced gaming experience. Further, Vivo has provided an artificial intelligence (AI) powered beauty mode that is designed to recognize as many as 103 facial features to uplift your self-portraits. The Vivo Z5 supports OTG reverse charging and works with 22.5 watts flash charge fast charging technology. Vivo Z5 runs FunTouch OS 9.1 based on Android 9 Pie and features a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2340 pixels, Super AMOLED display. Under the hood, there is the octa-core Snapdragon 712 SoC, coupled with 6 GB and 8 GB of RAM. For photos and videos, the Vivo Z5 sports a triple rear camera setup that includes a 48-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.79 lens. The camera setup also has an 8-megapixel secondary sensor with a wide-angle f/2.2 lens and a 2-megapixel tertiary sensor with an f/2.4 lens. In terms of selfies, there is a 32-megapixel sensor at the front that has an f/2.0 lens on top. The Vivo Z5 has 64 GB and 128 GB of internal storage. Connectivity options include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS/AGPS, micro USB with OTG support, and a 3.5 mm